Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you all had a good week. Let's end it on a nice giveaway. Thanks to Caddx, I'm going to be giving away a Polar Vista kit. So that is the camera and also the Caddx Vista. The winner will get a brand new one of these. And I thought I would give one away because I kind of think that it has been missed. I personally think this is a superb camera and a good alternative to all of the ones that are missing at the moment, and an even better performer in the evening when it's lower light. And I just don't think that has been tested by anybody else, but it's something, you know, in dreary old England in the winter when it goes dark at 4 p.m, it's actually quite important to me. So what you need to do to enter is to be a subscriber of my channel. You need to like this video, and then there's going to be a link to this kit. So you need to click that. I'm also going to put Caddx's social media in the below, and I strongly recommend that you check that out because there's going to be an announcement, I think today or tonight, regarding Vistas and air units, and if you have one of those, then it's something that you don't want to miss. You're going to need to put a comment in this video. Just one comment. Duplicate comments will be ignored, and then in a week's time I will be announcing the winner. So yeah, good luck to everybody, and thanks again for Caddx for providing this. Anytime I can give somebody, you know, a free product that maybe was on the fence about this thing, then, you know, I will just do it, even if, you know, it's kind of like a marketing thing or whatever. I'll always choose somebody getting something free over that. So yeah, I'll see you in a week's time and announce the winner. Good luck. Cheers.